Unlock the extraordinary life of Helene Hadsell, the woman who consistently wins everything with a powerful manifestation method. Join us as we unravel the secrets behind her unparalleled success and discover the hidden gems of manifestation that can transform your life. Get ready to witness the incredible journey of a true manifestation maestro, Helene Hadsell, where winning isn't just luck, it's a way of life. This is the untold story you won't want to miss, the secret of manifestation excellence. In this video, I'm about to unveil the closely guarded technique of Helene Hadsell for drawing greater prosperity, money, and abundance into your life. Helene Hadsell, an extraordinary woman renowned for her exceptional ability to win contests and attract incredible prizes, crafted a distinctive approach to tap into the power of her mind and visualization techniques to manifest her desires. But the question remains, how can you apply Helene Hadsell's method to usher in more abundance and prosperity into your own life? How can you transform your life? I'm here to guide you on precisely that journey. Before we delve into this transformative exploration, I implore you to listen closely to every word I share. The insights I'm about to reveal hold the potential to alter your life permanently. You deserve a life that is rich, joyful, and successful. It's time to unlock the mysteries of Helene Hadsell and learn the art of precise manifestation. Take a moment for yourself, focus your attention, and get ready to uncover the secrets of asking and receiving from the universe. Let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Helene Hadsell, the legendary queen of contests, garnered more valuable prizes than anyone else. She generously shared her secrets in a vibrant and warm manner. According to Helene, a truly successful person is one who thinks positively and acts as if they are already experiencing success. For instance, on the day of a house delivery, Helene confidently asserted that the house would be hers even before the draw, urging her husband to take a day off to prepare for the prize. What makes this story truly remarkable is not just that they won, but when the sponsoring company's president called to inform them that they would wait for her husband to return from work, Helene confidently replied that he was already at home awaiting the house delivery. The company was surprised, and even more so when the couple presented plans they had prepared for the house installation. Helene's success wasn't luck. She had a strong belief in winning. Before the draw, they even processed passports for a trip they desire to win. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. Helene's journey began in 1958 when she read The Power of Positive Thinking by Dr. Norman Vincent. The concept of visualizing things clearly as if already possessed intrigued her. The formula she followed was simple yet powerful. Choose what you want, wait for it, project it, visualize it as if it has happened, believe it's already yours, and receive it. This formula worked exceptionally well for Helene, leading her to write several books on the subject. According to her, a truly successful person is one who thinks positively. Helene's key to success lies in a well-known but mysterious concept from the power of positive thinking, visualizing things clearly as if you already possess them. Though simple, only a few truly put it into practice. The formula: choose, decide, wait, project, visualize, believe, and receive. Helene's success ranged from winning cars, furniture, and trips to Europe to manifesting desires like savoring a glass of wine in Paris. The key is a positive attitude and control over the mind. Many scatter their desires without clarity, leading to doubt and failure. Positive thinking, according to Helene, can replace failure with success. The key is to have a clear goal, explore your deepest desires, set a specific measurable goal, and let the universe align its forces. Clear any misconceptions about contests or abundance. Shift from fear of failure to an expectation of success. See delays as temporary pauses, trusting the universe's perfect timing. Step 1. Never entertain doubts. Doubts block positive energy and hinder manifestation. Cultivate unwavering faith in your ability. Believe in the power of your thoughts. Acknowledge doubt, but choose not to dwell on it. Recall past successes and trust in your power to manifest. Step 2. Convincing yourself is a repetitive process. Use affirmations and visualization. Affirmations are positive statements reinforcing belief. Choose resonating affirmations, repeat daily with conviction, and visualize as if they have already come true. Visualization stands out as a potent tool in Helene Hadsell's method. Close your eyes and vividly picture yourself already immersed in the outcome you desire. Feel the details, embrace the emotions, and immerse yourself in that envisioned reality. Visualization serves to harmonize your thoughts, emotions, and energy with the manifestation you seek. By consistently visualizing your desired outcome, you create a compelling magnet for its realization. Helene, in her practice, would intensely imagine herself already possessing her desired prize or experiencing the outcome she craved. For instance, when aspiring to win a car, she would visualize herself behind the wheel, feeling the steering wheel in her hands, savoring the new car scent, and relishing the joy of ownership. This consistent visualization created a magnetic pull, drawing her desired outcome closer. Another effective technique employed by Helene was the use of affirmations. She would repeat positive statements affirming her belief in her ability to attract and receive her desires. Uttering these affirmations in the present tense, as if her desired outcome had already materialized, allowed her to align her subconscious mind with her conscious intentions. Conviction and emotion infused into these affirmations strengthened their impact. Helene also recognized the crucial role of maintaining a positive mindset. Choosing to focus on positive thoughts, emotions, and expectations, even in the face of challenges or setbacks, cultivated a fertile ground for the manifestation of her desires. Instead of succumbing to negativity, she nurtured optimism, believing that challenges were stepping stones to success. Taking inspired action was another hallmark of Helene's approach. Rather than passively waiting for things to happen, she proactively sought out opportunities aligned with her goals. Actively participating in contests and engaging in activities related to her desired outcomes, she firmly believed that her actions would sync with the universe's plan to bring her desires to fruition. Gratitude played a pivotal role in Helene's manifestation journey. Expressing gratitude for what she had already received, she held the belief that more blessings were on their way. This attitude of gratitude acted as a catalyst, opening doors for even greater abundance to flow into her life. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. As we conclude our journey into the awe-inspiring world of Helene Hadsell and the art of manifestation, I hope you've gleaned valuable insights to empower your own life. If you're ready to embrace the extraordinary and turn your desires into reality, remember to hit that like button, subscribe for more transformative content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. As you embark on your own manifestation journey, keep in mind the timeless wisdom of Helene Hadsell. Believe, visualize, and receive. Stay committed to your dreams and trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of manifestation mastery. Until next time, manifest with intention, live with purpose, and may your life be filled with abundance. Take care, and we look forward to seeing you in the next enlightening adventure. Manifest greatness.